1627 Northeast 77th, date September 9th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the clean out here in the basement of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City main flowing by. We're going to come back initially into a 6-inch stretch of clay pipe shared with the home, what is that, west? 1623. So, little minor intrusion right at that main tap connection. I've zeroed my footage out down there at the main, so we're going to get an accurate count, or as accurate as we can, count of this footage on this pipe. Now what looks like a connection off of the left side of the line, but also I'd want to jet that to see exactly what that is. Yeah. There's something funky going on there. There's no connections indicated on the sewer map right there. It's not to say every connection point was written on this thing 80 years ago. We come back here out of that shared section of line, so we're looking at about 31 feet or so of that shared portion of line from where the two lines connect down to the main. I'm going to zero out our footage again now that we're in the personal section of 1627's line. We got some roots down there. Another good section there. And there is a connection for the, there's some drainage from the back of the house and the other side of the home. Got a small offset. Looks like we're starting to shift a little bit there, holding some water, and a small tree root growing through. There is a downspout. There's one up on the corner of the house that connects right there. And then we're back into the cast iron inside the home. So 24 feet or so of personal sewer line before we get back into the cast iron. The cast iron looked to be in good shape. I'm going to go do a couple of locate spots here so that we can put together a liner proposal. I'm going to end the video there.